Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Ampan. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you all can install the Magisk root on your Pixel 6 Pro device. So let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. So friends, if you want to install Magisk root on your device, you need to unlock your bootloader. So if you don't know the process of unlocking the bootloader of your Pixel 6 Pro device, you can refer to the video that I have included in the description of this video to unlock the bootloader of this phone. So in the very first stage, you have to format all the data in your device. First of all, you need to download Magisk application. Now you need to install this application on your device. Then click on open it. Then click on allow to the notification permission. When it comes to here, you can see we haven't installed Magisk root yet on this Pixel 6 Pro device. So I'm going to install it. So to install Magisk root on your Pixel device, you need to create a Magisk bootable image file with using the boot image of your device. So if you don't have the original boot image file relating to your firmware of your Pixel 6 Pro device, you can refer to the links that I have included in the description of this video to download the latest boot image file for your Android version. So I have already downloaded my boot image file and I have placed that image file in the download folder. So I'm going to create the Magisk bootable image file from that original boot image file. Just click on install, click on select and fetch file, then click on here and go to your device, then open the download folder and select your boot image file. Click on this option. Okay guys, now we have successfully created the Magisk fetch boot image file. Here you can see that modified boot image file here. Then we need to move this boot image file into our PC. As you can see on the screen, I have successfully moved this Magisk fetched boot image file into my PC. And I am going to copy the path of this image file like this. Then I need to open my platform tools folder. Here you need to click on your address bar and type cmd, hit enter. So guys, if you don't know the downloading process of the platform tools to your PC, or if you don't know the process of installing the USB drivers relating to your Pixel 6 Pro device, you can refer to the video that I have included in the description of this video to extract these files to your PC and install the drivers. So I'm going to boot this device into the fast boot mode. I need to click my power key and volume up key together, then click on power off. Now you need to enter into the passport mode by pressing the power key and volume down keys together. Press and hold both of these power key and volume down keys till your device getting into the passport mode. Now here you need to type passport devices to see whether that your device has successfully connected to the PC. Then you need to type passport flash and you need to paste your copied path of the modified Magisk boot image file into this cmd window like this. Then hit enter. This will flash your Magisk fetched boot image file onto your Pixel 6 Pro device. Then we can normally reboot our device. Okay friends, now I have successfully installed Magisk fetched boot image file on my Pixel 6 Pro device. I am going to run Magisk Manager and see whether my root has been successfully installed on this device or not. So when it comes to here, you can see we have successfully installed Magisk latest version on our device and we have successfully gained the root permission to this Pixel 6 Pro device. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.